I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to troubleshoot a stuck plumbing snake. There's a couple different things to do here. We got it down a kitchen sink here because kitchen sink is one of the most common places to get stuck. So what you want to do is kind of try to wiggle it back and forth and see if you can break the clog loose at all. And if that doesn't work, on the end of these plumbing snakes, you can actually hook a drill to it to help relieve the clogging that's in your pipe. So you hook a drill there and kind of get as much slack out as you can, and then hook that drill to it, and that way it can break through anything that's stuck on. And as you're drilling, it kind of start to pull out a little bit to help it break loose from what it's caught on. You might want to go underneath to see if you're caught on a bend or a curve in the pipe, so that way you aren't pulling real hard and end up breaking your snake or a pipe, because that's going to cause you more work in the long run. When you're working with one that is stuck, be sure not to pull on it too hard, because you might break some pipes loose or the snake. One of the most important things is don't get impatient with it. Take your time, do it thoroughly. That way you aren't spending more time trying to fix something just because you got a little mad at it. Just take your time, calm down, walk away for a little bit if you need to, and that thing will eventually work its way loose as long as you keep just playing with it. Move it around, just try to get it unstuck. There we go. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching.